China importation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And so you need to have that at the back of your mind. You need to understand that China importation is actually a business and it should be treated as such. It's not something that you can come in, make money, and get out. Welcome to the free basic China importation class organized by She Imports Global. My name is Muna Abdurrahman, co-founder She Imports Global. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to China importation. So let's start with what China importation is. Let's start with the word importation. Importation simply means buying at wholesale prices from another country, bringing it down to your country, adding your profit, and then selling to make money. You can sell either on wholesale or on retail basis. Importation involves getting in touch with manufacturers or suppliers, okay? And then the biggest or the largest manufacturing country that we have currently in the world is China. China manufactures everything and anything you can think of, okay? From cooking utensils to gadgets to kids' toys to kids' clothing to everything and anything you can think of. You can get manufacturers from China. And so our focus is China in this training, importation from China. So our focus is China. So China is known for production, okay, manufacturing and production. That is why you get items there. If you are buying on wholesale, you get items there very affordable. And that is why when you bring it down to Ghana, you can add your profit to it and sell. And that is what makes it a business. Now that we understand what importation is and we understand the country we are dealing with, which is China, we understand that they are manufacturers, okay? We need to find out next how to get in touch with these manufacturers. So there are two ways. The first way, or one of the ways, is to travel to China. When you travel to China, you go to the regions. China is very big, by the way. There are so many districts and so many cities that you have to visit for different, and it's like city by city. This city is good for electronics, the other city is good for makeup and skincare, the other city is good for kids clothing, the other city is good for, you know. So China is very big. So one of the ways to get in touch with these suppliers is, or these manufacturers, is to visit China, okay? So you go ahead, get your passport ready, book a flight to China, book a hotel reservation. Preferably, if it's your first time, preferably get a tourist guide to take you around or something. And then you do your sourcing, you buy, you ship your items, and then you come down to Ghana, clear the items, and then you sell. Okay. Then the other option is to use the apps. Okay, there are so many apps that you can use to buy from China. And this class is going to focus on using the apps. So we have the three most popular apps, or the three most common apps that are used for China importation. I'm going to start with Alibaba. That's number one. It's an international app. It's in English. It's user-friendly. So we have Alibaba, we have 1688, and then we have Pinduoduo. These are the most common apps. In the next video, I'll be breaking it down, Alibaba, 1688, and Pinduoduo. You'll understand what Alibaba is, you understand the interface, you understand how to use it basically. Then we move on to 1688, and then we move on to Pinduoduo. So I'll see you in the next video.